TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday morning, 30 minutes to go until the opening bell. And I was going to see we got markets in positive territory, but this S&P, it's selling off a little bit as we speak. Right now, hanging on to gains. We're up 2 points, trading at 35.01. We were as high as 35.16 overnight. And as I speak, you're watching the chart drop. We just dropped about 7 points in the last basically 15 minutes as I was on the air. NASDAQ hanging on to gains, up 69 points right now at 12,185. Zoom earnings knocking things out of the park. We'll get over to that in a moment. You also have Apple trading higher this morning, Walmart trading higher as well. The Dow negative by about 60 points right now, 28,358. You got gold catching a bid, up $20 at $19.98. Silver up 52 cents at $29.15. Notes and bonds, a little bit of lower price and higher yield. The 10-year negative 3 ticks at 139.05. That 10-year yield right now, 0.715%. And we'll start it off with Zoom. How about it, folks? From $325 yesterday, we're going to open at about $447. You're talking about 30% to the upside. Zoom just crushing it out of the park. To get into their earnings, how about 92 cents a share versus 45 expected? How about 663 million in revenue? The market was only looking for 500 million. I mean, that's a beat by more than 30% of revenue. The revenue grew 355% on an annualized basis in the second quarter, ending on July 31st. New customer subscriptions delivered 81% of the revenue growth. What else we got? Tesla. They like their share price so much, they're going to be selling $5 billion worth it back to the market to raise a little capital. Tesla shares this morning, you were as high as $538 on that news, selling off a little bit, but right now we're flat at $498, waiting for the open on Tesla. You also have Walmart trading higher as they announced their Walmart Plus subscription service. That is going to be starting 2 weeks from today, September 15th. It'll be $98. There'll be free delivery included if you spend $35 for a minimum. The market liking that as they are going to be competing with Amazon Prime. Walmart looks to open at all-time highs this morning on that news. And we got to talk about, how about Kodak? Talked about it towards the end of my program. You got a hedge fund, D.E. Shaw, with a 5% stake in Kodak, and somehow the market's saying maybe you're worth double what you were yesterday. Be wary of that one, folks. And Apple, they're going to be announcing new phones, new watches, 5G later in October. 75 to 80 million phones they expect their producers to make. Apple positive on that news as well. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento. We got the S&P's negative now. He's coming up next. We'll be right back.